We're in the process of buying a place right now. Houses here are expensive as fuck though. Yeah, we're probably gonna end up waiting until next year and just building one.
So y'all plan on staying out there forever, pretty much?
No, we can always sell it. The housing market here is insane because of the oil field. People going in and going out, and like the houses here last for like even the houses that you see that you're interested in, unless you jump on it, like the day it's posted, you're not gonna get it. Someone else is gonna buy it.
Yeah.
So you have like zero time to like make a decision.
Are there just not that many houses, or just everybody moving up there?
No, it's just a constant flow of people moving in, people moving out, fucking. And they know you have to live here if you want to work in the oil field, at least in North Dakota. And the housing market knows that, so they mark the price up out the ass.
Hmm. Y'all are in apartments now, right?
We're in a townhome.
So does Autumn live with you now, or?
Oh yeah, she's lived with me for going on 2 years now.
Hmm.
Yeah, we couldn't do that shit anymore. It was alright for a minute, but it was more for Halen than it was for us. Like, we can handle being apart from each other, but like when Halen was like grabbing onto me while I was trying to leave to go on the airport and screaming and crying and everything, I was like, yeah, I can't do this shit anymore. There's a level 2 vest right here.
I got one.
Yeah, pretty much the first time she did that to me at the airport when I was getting ready to leave, I called my boss on the way back and was like, you need to get me out of the field or I'm quitting.
Is that when you changed your office job?
Yeah, yeah, my first office job. I've had 4 different jobs since I've been with this company.
Jeez.
Yeah. You know, I was a service tech, and then I was CSR, which is sales guy, handles all the customer shit. And then I was the customer service manager, which means I was over top of all the sales guys, and then I became the operations manager.
Is that what you are now?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm in charge of our entire division.
Pretty cool.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a pretty nice gig, man.
Section aren't moving back here though.
Yeah. Oh, there's a guy right there.
I see that. I have no long range.
Hit him. Killed him.
Nice.
Yeah, we might one day. I don't intend to be in the oil field forever, so as soon as Halen graduates, that's pretty much gonna be my last day.
Graduate to college or high school?
Oh, high school. College is her fucking problem.
Yeah, I hope y'all do move down here. I just, her mom still lives here and stuff?
No, her mom lives in New York.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, she's like a cook at a college. Surprisingly, doing better than she's ever done since I've known them right now. I mean, her boyfriend.
Is she still with that?
Her boyfriend's still
skinny dude?
No, she's with a different skinny dude, and he's a fucking pedophile.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he got his charges for. We looked him up and everything. He got his charges for pissing in public, which is, you know, kind of a bullshit thing, but Regardless, he has it.
Oh yeah, there was like a kid near or something.
It wasn't even a kid near. It's just there could have been one, so he got it.
Oh wow.
Like, yeah, you don't even have to be around anybody. You piss in public, it's game over.
That sucks.
Yeah. He's a douchebag anyway. He fucking... I mean, he's dating Kathy, so...
There's a guy left?
Oh, shit.
I'm pretty sure. I might be wrong, but... Yeah, he's right there.
Got him.
I knew I saw something.
Only thing he really has worth the fuck, it looks like his jump boots. Let's get him.
Is your mom still with that guy she was with a long time ago?
Oh yeah, I know. Yeah, she's been with my stepdad Rick for fuck since 2000. Before that, but they got married in 2000.
Hmm.
Oh, guys, a guy right in front of me.
So you don't really have any ties here in South Carolina anymore, do you?
I mean, my whole mom's side of the family still lives there.
Hmm. I thought they were like North Carolina.
No, only one. My cousin Vanessa, she lives in North Carolina, but all my other cousins live in South Carolina in Malden. Guy across the river.
Hold on, I'm looting real quick. I have no long range here.
Oh, God, he got me. I was wondering what the fuck was going on.
He's pushing.
Let him go.
He ran back.
Can I fucking hit him, please? Jesus. Thank
Oh my
God.
god, I just nailed him with a PPSH.
I put 3 rounds in his chest and didn't kill him. Super upset. Dun 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 dun.
Yeah, I stole that kill.
That's all good. I'm glad we killed him. I wasted 65% of my fucking ammo shooting at him like an asshole, so.
He has any M3 or PPSH, let me know.
Yeah, he has PPSH drum. He's got STV, long range. He had, oh shit.
I might actually take that SVT.
Go ahead, send it. Where's these guys at?
I need something long range.
They're right here. Got him.
Nice, I'm real quick.
I got,
just one?
what's that? Yeah. I got
Was it just one of them?
Yeah, one guy. He killed somebody and then he ran to loot the body and I waxed him. I got rounds for STV if you need some.
Alright. I have like 14.
This guy has STV rounds as well. I'll just let you take those. You should break these tombstones if you don't have your ability.
I got it ready.
So yeah, take one of them then.
Does he have a sight? No. I see a guy coming across right there.
We can go loot him if you want. Oh, behind.
Shots right there.
Yep, right in the bunker right in front of us.
See that? Yep. Oh, they see us?
Yeah. Guys pushing.
There's a bad spot right
He's
here.
got a pan.
Oh, he's pushing close. I lit that dude up. You got the kill.
I want that pan so bad. Dead.
Nice.
This guy's got more STV rounds. He's got a PPSH round. Oh yeah, there's a mag on it too, drum mag. He's got an AVS.
Found a sight, let me know.
Night scope, 3.5 on that guy. This one.
Nice, yep. So what does the hummingbird do again, he said?
It's just like your spirit thing. It doesn't really do anything. If you hold the right top button and look, it's basically like your camera to be able to like turn and look side to side, pretty much, without like changing the direction. Like when you're running, like free look when your guy's running. You just want to hold tight until we see what the zone does, or you want to?
Yeah, I say we just sit for a minute.
Okay. Well, we know what direction they're in now.
Yeah. We could third party him.
Yep, for sure.
I'll hold here and see what I can see for a second.
Dead body out there.
They have to be on the other side of that building.
Yeah, they're in that compound for sure.
Oh, yep, there he is.
Oh, he's going
He ran out
to
of the
yeah, he's going to
Oh,
res.
he's going to revive.
Huh? You can come bring it, sir. You think you're gonna fucking make it that far?
One's dead.
That other guy's hurt bad. There's no way he has food. Unless he went back to go get his own stuff. No way he... Oh, he's on the roof?
I see him. Yep.
Oh, we hit him at the same time. That was cute.
There's just two others, right?
Yeah. Guarantee they're hiding. Hiding in the attic, probably.
Oh, I see him. That way. Like, around this building. In this building? In this building? I think he jumped down. He's across right here. He's hurt. He's hurt. Down and left too. Oh, I'm down. He's pushing.
Knocked one. Other guy still in the
Nice.
building.
Yeah, one's across.
Yep. Nice.
Got him.
Got that on video. That's sweet. Had 8 kills on that one.
Got 4. Bit better.
Not bad.